10,000 opportunities, 5,000 opportunities in government establishment, 5,000 opportunities in private establishment. My sincere appeal to Goan youth, kindly register on a NAPS portal and apply for the opportunity. Moment they accept the candidatures, the offer will go to the candidate's login. Kindly accept the offer. The moment they accept the offer, then the contract will be generated automatically, which will be available with the establishment as well as candidate's login. So far candidates are around 4,000 and then registration is going on, but this problem is candidates are only registering, they are not applying to the opportunity. That's why again I am appealing to the youth, they are only registering and then waiting. It won't serve the purpose. They have to register, they have to search for opportunities and apply for the opportunities. Then only government establishment will come to know that so many candidates are applying for the opportunities.
What's the duration of apprenticeship?
This is a 1 year, 3 months, 1 year, 8 months, depend upon the trade. So there are many opportunities created, such as chemists are available, microbiologists are available, HR executives are available, plumber, electrician, turner, computer operator, data entry operator, gardener, cleaner, driver, housekeeping staff. There are so many opportunities are available as on date.